Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. My daughter's best friend, she's my other daughter. She moved here, so I'm gonna come over here and do a move-in clean for her. This is what the apartments look like. Let's go swimming. Look at these chairs. It would be great if you had a pillow on the back because it's not comfortable the way that you have to sit. Here's a gym. Let's go and see what it looks like. Today's video is a move-in post-construction clean. Ooh, it's gonna be so dusty. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you enjoy today's video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know where you're watching from. I'm in Central Ohio. I need to do these right here. There's Maxie. She sound real loud, y'all, okay? She's just holding on by a thread, and that's okay, because I'm a ride or die her. We have arrived. Here's the front door right here. I'm not gonna open it because someone's out there. Let's see if you can see out the peephole, though. You can! Okay. Now you see the pantry. The pantry is a great size. And then here is the kitchen. I feel like we should have music that goes, oh! Don't you think? Nice floors. This is a, what's that closet called? Not a linen, a utility closet is right here, so I won't take you guys in there, but I gotta show you the before of this sink, because this sink is about to be spick and span clean, okay? It's not like super dirty, it's just spots, right? But I'm about to hook it up. But y'all already know that. Okay, moving right along. Nice size living room. And did you see the balcony? Did you see the balcony, y'all? Let me show you the balcony. This, my friends, is the balcony. And those are my feet. But yeah, the balcony's a pretty good size. That's for sure. And here's the laundry room. Let's move right along. Oh, y'all, check out this linen closet. It is the cutest little thing ever. Cute little linen closet. Behind door number 1 is a bathroom. This bathroom is nice. And then bedroom number 1 is right across from bathroom number 1. 2 closets, individual closets, which is really cool. Let's turn the light on. Okay, closet number 1 in bedroom number 1, pretty good size. Closet number 2 is right next to it. Great full size, I almost said mirror. That is not a mirror, that is a window. But this bedroom is a very good size. There's my feet again. And the paint is nice too. Like a lot of times when you move into an apartment, the paint is like white, yellowish. They did a good job on the paint. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 has a walk-in closet. Oh, I almost fell. Bathroom number 2. I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Guys, there's a coat closet over here. Take 2, because I've already recorded this, but the phone wasn't recording, so the joke is on Kim. Hello. This is cleaning 101. When you first move into an apartment, no one's ever lived here before. It's dusty from, like, you know, sawdust, drywall dust, that great stuff. What I'm gonna do first is dust down all of the cabinets, all of the doors, and then I'm gonna wipe them down. Make sure you protect your head with like something on your head, preferably like a silk scarf, because you're gonna have like dust particles flying everywhere. Today is not wash day, okay? So anytime you're cleaning, regardless if it's new build construction or not, you definitely want to start at the top and work your way down. For this specific unit, a final clean was never done, so really it's going to have another clean after this because there's just so much dust. It's flying all over the place. Everybody's sneezing. We're covered in dust. It's a hot mess. I will say these cleanings are definitely pleasing to be involved in because you can see the outcome. You come in, the door is one color, you dust it, you wipe it, and then it's another color. It's just a beautiful sight to be seen. I know some of you are in the market of purchasing a new home or are currently building. Let me just give you this piece of advice. If you don't have patience and don't necessarily like cleaning, you may want to hire someone. And let me tell you why. This type of clean is not a one wipe and go clean. You have to just constantly wipe and wipe and wipe. Then you got to rinse your rag out. Then you have to spray some solution. And then you have to wipe the same area that you just wiped that's already covered in dust, even though you just wiped it. It takes a lot of patience, but you have to think about it. In the end, it's all going to be worth it. The other thing that I wanted to point out is you will definitely find dust for the next year. It's important to be sure to change out those air filters monthly. Another thing that really needs to be cleaned off are the walls, but you have to be careful in apartments because they do use flat paint. And if you make any kind of mess on accident, it's not gonna come clean. The best advice I could give you is to just dust the walls off if you use flat paint. I had to call in for reinforcements for the higher places because I'm at that age where I can just do that unapologetically. My daughter came in and rescued me. I was kind of like pointing out to her the cracks and crevices of those cabinets. From where I was standing, you could definitely see the dust, so I just wanted to make sure that she had an eye for that. The big thing in these types of clean is having detail cleaning in mind. You have to have an eye for that. So like I can legit walk past my house right now and tell you what baseboards I did within this month and what baseboards I ain't done in like 12 years, okay? Not necessarily 12 years, but you know what I'm saying. There's a big difference when you have that eye for cleaning.
Taking the lead, feeling your heat, just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me, 'cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me.
If you've never done this type of clean before, just know that the next day you're going to be very sore. You're going to be sore for several reasons. You're bending and poking and prodding and sticking your fingers in corners and that sort of thing just to make sure that the cleaning is detailed. But in the same token, you're inhaling a lot of dust and that definitely wears on your lungs. As you can see, they didn't even vacuum out the drawers. I was really surprised by that. I'm not a medical professional, but what I did do before I came here was take a handful of fennel seeds. And I'm glad I did it because it definitely helped. If you're interested in learning more about that, Google it, girl, because Google is your friend. But to add to the detailed cleaning comment, that eye, everyone doesn't have that eye and that's okay. I actually just really do enjoy cleaning. I've been cleaning these drawers out with Clorox wipes, and I want to make note that I do not close them right away. I wait for them to dry out before I close them. And if you're doing that, just be sure that you do that because you don't want any kind of mold, mildew, or weird stuff or weird smells growing in your drawer, bacteria, whatever. I don't know what could happen with a Clorox wipe, but you just never know. You never want to close wetness in a dark, tight space. I'm also using the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant in Kim's Magic Concoction. Just remember, no one has lived here before. This is post-construction, so there's dust everywhere. The goal is to get the dust down to the bare minimal that you can possibly get it down to before she moves in here. You'll also want to make sure you have plenty of cleaning cloths when you do something like this, because as much as you rinse out your cleaning cloth and wring it out and keep doing it over and over again, eventually it'll get to a point where it just has so much dust stuck up in there that you can't use it anymore. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you are all having an amazing week. I'm extremely thankful to all of you who have reached out to me in regards to your healing journey and how it's going. Girl, you better get it, okay? I am so proud of you. I hope you're proud of yourself. I hope you're celebrating each and every milestone, even if you feel like it's small. All wins must be celebrated. All growth must be celebrated. All change for the good must be celebrated. Celebrate yourself. It's not a selfish act at all whatsoever. It just proves how worthy you are of being celebrated, how worthy you are of being on this earth, how worthy you are of just being in a good space in life. Keep striving to do the best that you can do every single day. Be the best person that you possibly can. That way you know everything is just going to fall into your plate the way that it should. Most importantly, be kind to every person you encounter, whether or not they deserve it. Stay focused on your ultimate goal and you cannot go wrong.
Cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure. Falling under ever since I met you.
A dishwasher is something else that people tend to forget. You definitely want to run that 3 times with no dishes, just the cleaner. That way you can get all the dust and debris out of those pipes. Now there will be some instances where the construction workers use like your kitchen, so sometimes they may use your microwave, refrigerator. In this case, they use both restrooms. Therefore, I will not be showing any restrooms on this video because I already know.
Don't try to please me. Not sure that you can.
I had some of my complete gold, y'all, okay? Like, it made me stutter. Complete gold commercial cleaner left over. I'm cleaning the sink out with it, and when I tell you that it looked amazing once I was finished, it definitely looked amazing. So what I'll do is I'll throw a clip in here of the before I show you what the after looked like. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much again for being here. I really do appreciate you.
I'm by myself, but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I'm by myself, but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm sleeping.
I gotta show you the before of this sink because this sink is about to be spick and span clean, okay? It's not like super dirty, it's just spots, right? But I'm about to hook it up. But y'all already know that. Okay. Not one blemish in sight. Show me where it's at because I do not see it. And neither do you, girl, okay? You don't see it either. All of the doors are definitely about a shade and a half lighter. There's still some dust, obviously, so we're gonna have to do another clean to get all the dust out, but everything really does look good. The windows are looking really good. We were able to clean those inside and out.
I know the next morning.
I was just telling the girls, if you live in Appalachia, whatever, however you say it, you have to make sure when you close your shades that you are closing them upwards. Let me know below in the comments if you know why.
Next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart.
There was like no final clean done here.
And I'm too